of 2016 Z4. The BMW Z4 represents a slight change in philosophy for BMW's Roadster, as it sacrifices ultimate handling for greater ride comfort and overall refinement, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, convertible hardtop, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.